everyone, this is Abdul from Pythonist. I hope you're doing great. Today, I'll discuss voting progress regarding our poll we have posted a few days ago on our YouTube channel. We are planning our next video series here at Pythonist. A few days ago, we posted a poll on our channel and got many votes. Yeah, we know it's a small channel, so that wasn't a big number. The poll was about to get your opinion for the next video series. Should it be on real-world projects with Django 3 or machine learning the easy way? The current status of votes as 54% goes to machine learning the easy way video series and 46% goes to real-world projects using Django video series. We will continue to get your votes for another week. Then we will start our next video series according to the result of this poll. So go ahead and cast your vote for video series you are interested in. I'll post the link in the description below, or you can get it by logging to our YouTube channel, then hit the community tab. Also put your suggestions in the comments below. That's great. Let's make another great achievement about Python together on this channel. Thanks for watching.